Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been taking these little short breaks because I've been working on some things. Today I'm going to be making some wall decor. You guys, y'all know I love my wall decor. So I'm just going to put it right on the edge there. I'm going to set this aside to let it dry. The next step is to put a little bling on it. And it's going to go right on the edge here. And that's going to go on both sides. I decided to use some of the Well Bond to put the acrylic rocks in the tray. I'm going to use the Well Bond first, and then after it dries, because it dries clear, I'm going to put a little epoxy on top. Once this dries, I'll come back and show you how it looks, and then I'll put the other gems in and a little epoxy on top. Then we'll come back to display it. Now that the glue has dried, I'm going to go ahead and add some epoxy on top. I've already mixed it, and I'm going to put just a few more of the smaller clear rocks on top. I'm just adding some more of the smaller clear rocks right on top. And I'm just going through and pouring a little on top for it to catch any loose rocks. Doing on the other side also. And I will set this to the side, let it dry, and come back with the reveal. Looking beautiful on the wall. And if you missed the DIY for the gold frames, they are on this channel also. I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please check out some of the other videos and consider subscribing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.